Anybody got a prescription, yeah, for this love pain? Anybody got a pill I could pop for this love pain? Anybody got a...
Hello everyone, it's Keisha with Drink Coffee Make Stuff. Welcome to my channel. Today I am filming an unboxing of my recent haul that I got from the Tiffy Tuesday sale at Shop Villabeautifful. Tiffany has a one-day promotional sale and it's called Tiffy Tuesday. That happens ever so often. And she recently had one earlier this week on the 22nd. So I could not resist picking up a couple of things from the sale. If you want to know more about Tiffy Tuesday, I'll link the information for it down below in the description box. But I've already opened the seal, so let's go ahead and pull all this out. Okay? All right, so you see I've got a couple of goodies. Let me go ahead and put these to the side. Now, one thing that I was really excited to get was the fountain pen rainbow pack. Now, this is the VB fountain pen. It came with the Artesian VB kit, and it came with a black ink cartridge and a blue one. And she did have some on the site for a while, but they sold out really quick. And so now she has these back in stock along with these rainbow ink cartridges. So could not wait to get my hands on these and see how they write. They're really easy to install. You just kind of pop them in. I think I've got to figure out what do I do with the ink cartridge once I take it out if it's not full. So I'll play around with that and see what I can figure out. But this was the first thing, the rainbow pack ink cartridges for the VB fountain pen. And there's the colors you get. You get, what is this, 8, 9, 5, no, you get 10 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 colors, a little bit more than a rainbow, I guess, because you get the pink and the brown. So, really cute. Can't wait to try these out. All right. Next, I got, let me look. Okay, I'll do this one. Next, I got these paper clips. Okay, and these were from a previous kit as well. And you get 3 of these. All right, so you get this white one. And, well, the white one is clear. I don't know if you can see that, but it's clear and it has kind of like a lace or marbled effect. So that one is cute. Then you get the black and nude. That's really pretty. And then the third one is like this nude color. So that one is really cute too. So I can't wait to use these in my VBPlanner to mark some pages. So let me go ahead and put those over here to the side. All right. Now, let's see what else I got. Oh, I picked up these. These are the Adhesive Pockets. And these were originally a part of the Fashionista VB kit. And you get 3 of these. There's 3 different sizes. You get a black that's kind of got a marble design with the rose. And these are I guess this one is like translucent. And then you have a medium-sized one, and this one is the cheetah print. Has some gold foiling on it. And then this one is the small, and it's black, and it has black trim, and it says Planner Pretties down here in gold foil. So really cute. I can't wait to add these maybe to like a dashboard or something like that, just to hold like some stickers. to carry around, things that I normally use quite often. So, but yeah, so that's the Fashionista Adhesive Pockets. And I think these sold out really quickly. Those along with the paper clips. Next, I got the VB pouch. This is the planner supply envelope. I think that's what it's called. But I got this one in this nude color. This one sold out really quick. I'm so glad I was able to snag it. But it's nude and it has the gold hardware. And it has Villabeautifful written in that gold foil. Let's see. Yeah. So cute, 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 cute. Love it. So I was able to get this. I love to put my accessories and stuff in here. So when I'm on the go, for example, I think, you know, I can put my rainbow ink pens in. I can put my fountain pen in. Let's see, what else do I have up here? Let's see. I can put my whiteout in. So you can really stuff it. I can put some washi tape in there. But I love to throw, you know, put things in here and throw these in my purse. And be ready to do some on-the-go planning. So that's that. All right. I also got, let's see, I'll go in here first. I picked up some extra pen stickers. So let me go ahead and pull those out. And it came with, when you order from VB, you get a thank you card. So this one is the newest card. It has February. It has the VB Modern Black Planner on it. It has the Ooh La La bits and pieces. You can see a little bit of the wristlet. And, of course, the Valentine's Day pens. So this is the latest thank you card. Really cute. And I did get 2 sets of stickers, pen stickers. So this is the Remix 2.0 stickers. These were Rainy Days 2.0, Classy and Fabulous 2.0, Sugar Plum 2.0, and Tiffy 2.0. So I did get some more of those. And then I did pick up the Valentine 2020 pens as well. And it has Beloved and Smitten, Flirtatious. It has the Queen of Hearts. And there's one more. Beloved, Flirtatious, Smitten. I can't think of the name of that last one. I can't believe I've forgotten. But yeah, so those are these pens. So, oh, Secret Admirer. That's this one, Secret Admirer. That's what it is. So, okay. So I got those. And along with your order, you also get a VB sampler, and people collect these. So what I have, I was able to get a number 10. This is the Darkness. And everybody's been looking for this one. Haven't gotten it, so this is the first glance at it. This is the number 12, and I think this is from Merry Minimalist. I think that's what this was from. Kind of looks like those colors. So, but yeah, so this is the number 12. So here we go. So I have those new sampler sheets to put into my VB sticker planner. Okay. Now, I did get another VB acrylic stand. Now, this one, I got this one specifically to use at work. Sometimes I'll forget, if I'm in a rush, I may forget to put something in my bag at night. Or, you know, if I'm rushing to get out of the door in the morning. So I do want to start keeping some of my pens at work, so I always have one. I love writing with VB pens. This is pretty much all I use. This is pretty much all I use, unless I'm just grabbing something to write something down quickly in a meeting, or, you know, normally I have my VB pens with me. If I don't, then I use one of my S-Gel one of my SGL pens. But I've decided that I'm going to start getting some of the backups and keeping them at work. Now, when you get a pen, you always get a refill. So there's the refills I got. And these are the backup pens that I got. These are my duplicates. These are what I'm going to use at work. So I got, and these were all on sale during the Tiffy Tuesday. I got Evil Queen. I got another Cameo pen. Ursula. And that's from the Queens of Darkness. Now, these two were the Queens of Darkness. They were in the Queens of Darkness set. And then this one was the special pen that was included in the Duchess Luxe VB kit. So that was a surprise pen, but they did bring it to the shop. I've got, this one is called Satin. And this is from the Aesthetic Luxe Anniversary Kit. And then this one is called Aries. This was in the Zodiac, one of the Zodiac bundles. So that's it. All right, so yeah, guys. So let me know down in the comments if you were able to shop the sale or if you're just now hearing about Tiffy Tuesday. And like I said, it's a special promotional one-day sale. And it doesn't happen very often, but when it does, she has some really good stuff in the shop. So, but that's it. So I have my VB pens and my VB pen stand to go to work with me. I've got some extra VB pen sticker sheets along with my samplers and my brand new sampler. Yes. I got my VBPlanner supply envelope. And, of course, this stuff was just stuff I pulled out on my desk. So, let me put those back. All right. So, I got my planner supply envelope. And I got the 10-piece rainbow pack ink cartridges that go along with the VB fountain pen. And, let's see, what else? My adhesive envelopes. Or my adhesive, what do you call these? Adhesive pockets. My adhesive pockets. And then I got my paper clips. And of course, the VB pen refills. So, but that's it. So guys, if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.